Apple mint. agrowplants.org, also known as Mentha suaveolens. So apple mint, it's arbuscus, it's perennial evergreen. It's grown for the ornamental leaves and the edible leaves. They are beautiful and they are used as a mint. It's a mint plant, and you can use it also as a ground cover. Very, very strong plant. Can grow in the Mediterranean, subtropical, or temperate climate, and this is a perennial evergreen. Hardiness zone can be from 9 to 11. Possible to grow it as an annual, but I would say it's better to start from cutting or from seeds. If you would like to grow it, there is a link below, there is a link in the top side, you can purchase it, and this is donation for our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, it's a great donation also for our channel. Okay, so the leaves are edible, they are green, and in some cultivars can be green with white edge, and the Latin name says that it's a little bit suave, it means like soft. Flower color are white, not, I wouldn't say very significant. You better keep the soil moist, although it's better, especially when it's young. After this, you can put mulch. After this, the plants cover the soil, so you don't need to add something, and it's mostly if you have enough water. These plants require like average big amount of water, so if you have enough, it keeps the soil moist by itself. You don't need to put something, but in the beginning, maybe to put some mulch, it will help to keep the moist. Be aware that it's aggressive. Also, it's easy to start from seeds plant or cutting, as I said. And the planting season will be from the spring to the autumn. And if you choose to grow it as an annual, the last frost will be after in the spring will be the best season to start. Pruning, it's important to prune the bloom if you don't need seeds, because you need the leaves. And each time that you let the plant bloom, it's make the plants weaker and the leaves smaller, even can be. It's not fit. If you want to use it for it beverage or something like this, better to prune the bloom stems. Height will be from 30 to 80 centimeters, so it's mean 12 to 32 inches, can be even lower. And in the right condition, it's a fast growing plant. Better will grow in full sun or almost full sun. Why almost full sun? Bloom less. And bloom less, it's just better to grow it. Half shade also grow well, it's possible, and barely blooming, so it's quite of advantage. Blooming season, it's mostly in the summer, can be a little bit outside, autumn, in the spring if possible, but mostly in the summer. Flowers are white, not very significant, I wouldn't say that they are amazing, and if you grow it probably for the leaves. So if you grow it for the leaves, the harvest season will be from all the year, less in the winter and the autumn. It just reduces, and this is quite of sad in a lot of plants that you actually drink. In the winter, the beverage, you have less, so you can keep it outside, you can just harvest it before, or you will have enough, just grow enough. In the winter, you will have enough in order to use less, but it means it still have. You can also use it, except beverage, in a salad, and this is quite of refreshing, so be aware. Except this, to harvest it's after the plant established. So wait that the plant will establish, maybe even root a little bit new stem before you start to harvest, because if you don't let it establish the plant, so it's make it weaker, and after this can cause some problem. So you just wait 1 or 2 weeks more until it will establish. Except this, it's quite of easy plant to grow. It's a different kind of mint, so it's a little bit different flavors than the peppermint or the other kind of mint that you can see video here. And it's easy and it's nicer, and maybe you can make mix from few variety of mint, so it's quite of lovely in the garden. And also lovely in the flavors. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.